So it's a little dark. I'm sure you can't see anything, but we're getting ready to take Michelle's Jeep to the welding shop. So here's where the frame is all good. I've got it all repaired up until, why'd they get dim? I've got it all repaired up until where the shackle and the hitch are on. And you can see there's a hole right up top there by the hose. It's looking pretty rusty near the back here. There's the shackle. And the other side, I know underneath it looks pretty bad. And this might be the side. Where's the shackle? So right there by the body mount and the shackle, if you look to the left of the shackle, you can see the frame actually has a hole rusting out right there. And there's more damage to it than that, so off to the shop. Okay guys, we're at the welding shop. There's Michelle's Renegade. And he reinforced the back of the frame. As you can see, we got some new plates on there. Side, bottom, top, inside. He painted it up real nice. The hitch is gone. Need a fresh coat of paint on that diamond plate, but it's not bad. He got some new bolts in there. Here's the other side of the frame. So everything on there should be nice and safe for her now. Looks like they did some nice work. And the price wasn't even at the top of his estimate. So, very, very nice. So we're gonna head home. It's 12 degrees Fahrenheit out here. So we're letting that warm up for a minute. And then it's time to top off on fuel, go home, and move on to the next project. But Chele's Renegade is now safe to drive and should also be trail worthy at this point without having to worry about the frame breaking in half. Talk to you later.